Good afternoon, Martin. How are you?
Good afternoon, Harris. I'm good. How about yourself?
Excellent as always. Almost perfect.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Why almost perfect?
Well, if you become perfect, that's it. That's the end of the game. So
There's
I still
nothing
don't
left
want to end my game.
nothing left to strive for, huh?
Well, once a great comedian from UK said, I have no problem getting old. Think of the alternative.
Yeah.
Oh, improving is good, means you're still alive. So, well, when we speak about improving, last week we discussed lube and how it affects the bloodstream of the factory. But there is another aspect of the clean, nice, and tidy lube, right?
Yeah. And I think we kind of touched on that at the end about perception. So, it's like getting old. People perceive that you're getting old, but in your head, you're still young.
Of course I am.
Yeah.
Just like you.
But, that perception thing is extremely important because it's about the message it sends.
Yes, dirty lube room says that dirty people are working there, some unimportant job.
Sure. Just looking at the lube room behind you, it looks lovely and clean. Looks like it's well maintained.
Thank you.
It sends the right signal. Precision lubrication.
And most probably you will not enter this kind of lube room with your dirty shoes and dirty hands. And I'm absolutely sure you will be very happy to invite your manager to see the good lube room and to say, I'm doing a nice job.
Yeah, I mean, I've heard people that have set up fantastic lube rooms and they've actually brought customers to see the lube room. And the customers have said afterwards, wow, if that's how seriously you take your lubrication, how seriously do you take the quality of your product? Let's do business.
That's excellent message. And that's excellent way to put it. So
Yeah.
being proud of the job the lube people do is very important. We certainly agree on that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's the next step in improvement? At least the way I see it is stop believing in opinions and feelings and start believing in data.
Sure. Data is so important because it helps with that justification process, cost benefit analysis, all that good stuff. You need data to be able to work the numbers.
Yeah. So the great thing is learning foreign languages. So one of the languages is oil analysis, understanding what happens with the oil. Then we can do something based on data instead of based on opinion. What we do is exactly what you can see right here behind me. This is one of our happy bearings saying, thank you, I just got enough grease that I need. So changing all this transformation from opinion to data is, we can put it under Industry 4.0, but as you said, we can put it under common sense. Why doing something if you're not sure it needs to be done?
Yeah. And I think, as we've said before, oil analysis reflects what you're doing on site. Let's make sure it's reflecting that you're applying best practice.
Exactly. Martin, I want to thank you so much for this several episodes. I want to thank you for your time. I want to thank you for the beautiful experience and wisdom you shared.
Well, thank you for allowing me.
We talk about your childhood, but we can make a specific session and talk about your childhood. What did you say about your childhood once?
I don't want to end up paying a therapist if I start talking about my childhood.
No, I'll do it for free. Don't worry. I'll do it for free.
Fair enough. Have you got a decent couch?
Absolutely.
Well, thank you for the opportunity, the shared ice creams. Perhaps I now need to go for a run because that ice cream's getting to me. So, yeah, it's been great. Fabulous. Thank you.
Okay, so I will take a liberty to inviting you again.
Brilliant. That sounds great.
Okay, thanks a lot on behalf of the entire SDT family and the entire audience.
Thank you.
See you next time.